Hi, and welcome back to the Sterlinx Global channel. My name is Jay, and I'm one of the account specialists of Sterlinx Global, a UK-based accounting firm specializing in e-commerce and traditional businesses. Our topic for today's discussion is VAT in the UK, when to talk to an accountant or tax advisor. As a business owner, you are probably familiar with value-added tax, or VAT. It is a tax added to the price of most goods and services, and it can be a headache to manage this aspect of business compliance. While it may be possible to handle VAT affairs yourself, there are times when it's worth talking to an accountant or tax advisor. But when is the right time to do so, and what exactly do these professionals do? In this video, we will explore answering these questions and provide advice on when to seek professional help. Keep watching until the end. What is VAT? VAT is a tax added to the price of goods and services sold in the UK and most countries worldwide. Essentially, it is a tax added at each stage of the supply chain. VAT-registered businesses charge this tax on their sales, and they can also claim back VAT on their purchases. The difference between the collected VAT and the claimed VAT on business purchases should be remitted to HM Revenue and Customs, or HMRC. How do accountant firms assist businesses? Accountant firms can be incredibly helpful when it comes to dealing with VAT. Some of the benefits of hiring one include help registering for VAT, which you need to do if your taxable turnover is over a certain amount, currently £85,000. They can also help you with VAT returns, which need to be submitted to HMRC on a regular basis, usually quarterly. In addition, there are VAT schemes that can help simplify compliance for certain types of businesses, such as the flat rate and cash accounting scheme. But they're not always the best option. An accountant can help you decide which method is suitable for your business. So that's how an accountant firm can benefit your business. But how about tax advisors? Let us discuss the difference between accountant firms and tax advisors. Although tax advisors have a similar role as accountant firms, their focus is much broader. While accountants generally focus on preparing financial statements and tax returns, tax advisors provide advice on tax planning and strategy. They can help you minimize your tax liability, ensure that you're compliant with tax regulations, and deal with HMRC inquiries. Now, you might think, when do you need to talk to an accountant or tax advisor? As your business grows, applicable VAT rules can become more complex. This is the time to talk to an accountant or tax advisor. Here are some situations where you may want to seek professional advice. Number 1. You're approaching the VAT registration threshold and need help registering for VAT. Number 2. You're dealing with business transactions that have a mix of VATable and non-VATable sales. Number 3. Your sales have different VAT rates. Number 4. You're considering joining a VAT scheme such as the flat rate or cash accounting scheme. Number 5. You're dealing with cross-border sales or purchases, which can be subject to different VAT rules. Number 6. You're facing an HMRC inquiry or investigation. But if you are on a tight budget and wondering, when don't you need to involve an accountant, let us also explore that option. In some situations, you don't necessarily need to involve an accountant. Here are a few examples. Number 1. You have a good understanding of VAT regulation. If you have experience with VAT regulations and feel confident in compliance with rules, you may not need to involve an accountant. However, remember that VAT regulations can be complex, and it's important to ensure that you're up to date with any changes. Number 2. You have a basic business structure. If your business typically faces a limited number of transactions, you may not need to involve an accountant. However, if your business is more complex or deals with international transactions, seeking guidance from an accountant or tax advisor may be beneficial. Let's enumerate some of the best accountant firms in the UK. Many great accountant firms in the UK can help with VAT and other financial matters. Some of these firms include: Number 1. PwC. PwC is a leading global professional services firm that offers a wide range of business services, focusing on accounting, audit, and tax. It is known for its innovative approach to problem solving and ability to help clients comply with regulatory bodies and global markets. Number 2, Deloitte. Deloitte is a firm that provides similar services, including advanced taxation, audit and assurance, and advisory services. It focuses on sustainability and social responsibility, and its expertise is more on risk management, digital transformation, and mergers and acquisitions. Number 3, EY. EY considers its clients' business strategy, objectives, and current capabilities in rendering accounting, tax, and business advisory services. It is a multinational accounting firm known for its commitment to diversity and inclusivity and its focus on driving growth and helping clients achieve their strategic objectives. Number 4, Grant Thornton. Similarly, Grant Thornton is a leading accounting and advisory firm known for its personalized approach to client service and ability to help clients optimize their operations, navigate complex regulatory environments, and achieve sustainable growth. Number 5, Sterlinx Global. Sterlinx Global provides comprehensive accounting services to businesses, including accounting, bookkeeping, payroll, tax planning, and consulting. They are primarily experts in e-commerce accounting, but also offer services to all businesses, regardless of company size or style. Their team of experienced professionals has a deep understanding of UK tax laws and regulations. The firm can provide tailored advice and guidance to help businesses stay compliant and minimize tax liability. Let us also answer some frequently asked questions about VAT accountants and tax advisor. Number 1, how much does hiring an accountant or tax advisor cost? The fees associated with hiring an accountant or tax advisor may vary, and the amount depends on the complexity of your business and the services you require. Some firms charge an hourly rate, while others offer fixed fee packages. You must discuss the fees upfront with the VAT accountant or tax advisor you plan to hire and ensure you understand the services included. Number 2, what are some common VAT errors that businesses make? Examples of these errors are number 1, failing to get registered for VAT when you are supposed to. 2, charging the wrong VAT rate. 3, bloating your claimable VAT and tax relief. And 4, failing to maintain an accurate and complete set of VAT records. These errors can result in penalties and interest charges from HMRC. Question number 3. Can an accountant or tax advisor help me with international VAT? Yes. If your business trades internationally, an accountant or tax advisor can guide how to navigate VAT regulations in different countries and ensure that your business remains compliant. Ultimately, whether you need to talk to an accountant or tax advisor about VAT depends on the complexity of your VAT affairs and size of your business. These professionals can provide guidance on VAT registration, VAT returns, VAT schemes, and other tax matters. For specific tax guidance for your business, consult us at Sterlinx Global. Thank you for watching and sticking with me until the end. I hope you learned about when to talk to an accountant or tax advisor through this video. And for further professional advice on tax compliance, check out Sterlinx Global website at sterlinxglobal.com. If you enjoy these types of content and want to learn more similar topics about accounting and taxation, please like the video and subscribe to our media channels. Again, I am Jay of Sterlinx Global, and I will see you on the next one.